Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this one, I want to show you the best free AI image generator or text to image generator. It's not Midjourney, it's not Dolly, it's in fact Canva, and it's hidden. And let me show you how to do this. So let me just show you here. It's currently unlimited. That's why I believe it to be the best one. The other versions, Midjourney, for example, you only get 25 before they make you pay for it. Let me show you what I'm talking about, though. Here you go. I'm going to click Create a Design, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a logo. It's going to make a 500 by 500 rectangle here. And now let me show you what you want to do. You want to go over here to the left side, click on More, and then here's where it gets interesting. Click on this text to image. This is an AI generator. That's right, it creates images. It's amazing. And here are a few examples. You can type in objects, colors, locations, surroundings, people. They've got some examples here, so we'll just go ahead and click on one of these, panda riding through a bike. And now if we click on that, we get to select a few different options. Let's start on the left. You can take a wild guess here with a surprise. You can have a photo, a drawing, 3D, painting, pattern, and concept art. This is so cool. So again, this is free. So we've selected panda writing. Let's go ahead and click on photo, see what we get. Takes a few seconds, so I'll just skip through this, and let's go ahead now and click generate image. All right, here we go. This is what the photo gave us. How cool is this? Let's click on this one here. Add it in. I'm just going to increase the size. So what the hell? Like, look at this. This is totally free. And presto, we've got the AI image generator. Let's start again and see what the other options look like. Let's look at drawing. Let's click on this. I'm going to click generate image, and it'll come back when it's done. Done. Holy smokes. Look at this. I mean, click on this, add this in. I'm just going to make it nice and bigger so you can see it. And what the heck? I mean, we've got some amazing looking stuff here. This is a cool one as well. I'll add that on top. This is all being done for free, unlimited, using Canva text to image. Check out this tool. It's worth your time. Thanks for watching.